What's up, guys? Today we're cast net fishing. Here we go. All right, now we let it sink.
Someone jumping in the water.
Hold up. The bread.
Get the bread. Get the bread.
Get it. See that? And now we drop it. Please, fish.
Oh wait, the crab trap.
It's not here.
Oh, it's that Mr. Crab's out.
We're gonna try a new location. See? Now pull it. Oh no.
Bread.
Come on, fish. They're better than fish.
They don't want the bread.
Nothing.
I don't think they like this bread.
Oh, look at that.
That was like good, and then it ended up being a straight line.
I got it.
Stop throwing bread when after he casts it.
Bro! Alright.
Fail.
Going.
3,
Grab the end.
2,
Yeah, I'm gonna catch a fish with this dude.
go.
Bro, how?
I'm gonna catch a fish.
Pull it up.
with this
Maybe I should try.
Okay.
Max, watch this catch.
Let him go. Wait, how are you holding on to it?
There's a string.
That's part of its body.
You need a hook.
Oh yeah, it is.
That's literally part of its body.
Dang, that's crazy. I thought it had a string through.
Alright.
Wait,
Should I
like
come back
swing
in?
it, swing it,
Yeah,
and throw
no.
it.
I don't know.
No, above your head.
I just throw it.
I can't. I don't want to drop this dude. Can I let him
It
out?
has to open up.
Yeah.
Breathe, brother, breathe. Guys, I don't think he's alive anymore.
was holding on to this.
Oh, yeah. Alright, y'all, so no fish yet. Here we go. We're gonna catch one here. Sophia, hold the end.
Spin it. Oh, that. Oh!
That was
That flung in my face.
What, Dagan?
Go.
You getting in?
I might.
Where are the fish? Get in, Dagan.
Get in, Dakin, for the video.
Dude, how do you do this?
LeBron James is giving.
Smile. How do they throw it? There's blood on your.
Fishtail, what do you mean? Okay, I'm not getting in.
Yes, you are. Way harder than you think.
No, say it again.
Bye bye. See y'all tomorrow.
Max, you